Welcome back to The Hungry Hunter. In tonight's episode, we're going to be making up a quick and easy dinner of venison fajitas. So we've got some venison, some peppers, some onions. We'll chop that up, we'll get it grilled up, and then for toppings we've got some lettuce and tomatoes and cheese and sour cream. Real simple. Let's get cooking. So we've got our onions cut up. We got an orange and a red bell pepper cut up. And we got our venison cut into strips. We're going to take our KC butt spice rub. Just put some of that on it. I'm going to grill this up. Make fajitas. Okay, now we've got our pan nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead and add in some oil. About that much. Move around. I'm going to add our veggies first. I turn down the heat. We don't need it that hot because we want to get it hot enough to get started. I'm going to start with our onions first. We're going to caramelize those. The onion is browning up. We're going to go ahead and add in our peppers. We'll saute these. Well, they're hot. Then we're going to move the vegetables off and we'll cook the meat separately. While we've got these going, go ahead and throw in some of the spice rub on it as well. Get a little bit more flavor. Not that much. Okay, so with this done cooking, we'll go ahead and move these veggies out of the bowl here. There we go. We're going to cover that. Heat. Add a little bit more oil. Put that around. Take our meat and we're just going to toss that right in. We'll say action.
Action!
Action! Okay, so we've got our fixings here. We've got some sour cream, some cut up tomatoes, some cut up lettuce, different types of cheeses, and we've got our peppers and onions and our venison there. Heated up some tortilla shells. Cooked it about 20-30 seconds. We're rolling. Anytime you're ready.
Got our blank canvas here. First, I'm going to start off with some cream cheese. Then
It's Sour cream.
Well, I call it cream cheese. For goodness sake, Dad, just let me do it.
Okay.
Calm on. I'm gonna take some meat, some peppers, and some onions. Put that right in the middle so it doesn't go flopping around. Ain't staying on the pork. Take some lettuce. That down. Get some cheese. And some tomatoes. Roll that up.
Go speak louder.
And stuck to the plate. Smush. The one problem with this, you're always gonna fall out one under the other. Great job, Dad.